What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Happened to be out in the Inland Empire out in San Bernardino for work. So of course we do have Nike outlet Redlands. Let's go check it out. Alright, I feel like I've been neglecting some of the Nike outlets a little too much lately because I haven't had time. Alright man, let's go figure it out. Let's go see if we can find some steals. Is that like a little sales table right here? I've never seen a sales table. We've been seeing this at Foot Locker and stuff. I don't think I've ever seen this here. What the heck? All right, just some Jordan Access though, nothing too big. It is, oh shoot, it is $50, $51. You do get 30% off, so that is pretty freaking cheap. Well under 40 bucks, not too bad. Do got refurbished stuff here. So it seems like more and more the Nike outlets are getting refurbished stuff. Got 30% off the entire wall as well. So yeah, let's see what's up. Got some Vapor Max size 13, 105. 105 it is, gently worn. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s going for $90, size 11, gently worn. Dang, I don't see much at all. 10.5 and under, size 14s right here, genomes. Wait, I see 10.5s up here. Oh man, this is all weird, dude. I don't know what the hell's going on. All right. Do got LeBron lows go for $80, gently worn. What's up with these right here? Tatum's size 9 down to $60. $60 for Tatum's, gently worn. Oh yeah, you can see it gently worn right there. But dude, and you get another 30 off on top. So what is that? I don't know. That's cheap as hell. What's up with these Jordan 36s? 8.5, $93. All right, those Tatums, it looks like that's the move right here. SB Forces right here, size 13, Nike refurbished 48. Pegasus 37s going for $78. Size 12 Vaporfly Next Percent 2s going for $125. That's a decent price, brings it down to under 100 bucks after 30%. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. Okay, everything's just mixed up, dude. Nothing's where it's supposed to be. $80 for these. Those are slightly imperfect though. Zoomfly Victory Cross Country 5s going for. Oh, these are spikes, but they're cross country. Oh yeah, 55 bucks. Holy cow. Those say gently worn. Terra Escape Air Max 90s going for $84. You got Invincible Run. Oh yeah, ZoomX. I'm sorry. Invincible Run Flyknits going for $90. These Dunks. Dunk Low. These are going for $75. This is a Nike by You. This has been worn, but that leather is a nice leather. The color. Oh, excuse me. The colorway was better. Like, what can I match this with? That's the only thing. What can I match this with? This is a size 10. I would totally get these. I see what they did. They tried to make them look like the Tiffany's, but the color's just not there. Just not there. But it is cheap. It is cheap. $75. 75 bucks. Another 30 off on top. You know, that's not bad. That's not bad. Like 50, 52 bucks, something like that. Maybe I might think about these. Maybe, you know what? Later on, if I come back and they're still here, maybe I'll grab them. You know, they look pretty worn, but yeah, like I said, the leather on these are so nice. I don't know. We'll see. That's a maybe. I'm gonna leave them there if they're there when I come back. Right before I leave, might be a maybe. 58 for these. LeBron 19, 100 bucks for these. Another 30 off, so $70. Then another Vapor Max right here, 105. So these are going for way cheap. I just saw someone drop these, which is funny because they did grab a couple of these. So they grabbed theirs and then they just left this on the floor. Like, people are just ridiculous, man. Here, let me throw that back. All right, let's check out the regular back wall now. Nike by You Infinity Run Flyknits right here. Kind of looks like a Charlotte colorway. $95. Oh, this is what, size 7.5? 8, size 8 right there. West to Virginia off-court slides. $35. Terra Escape Air Max 90s 100. Jumpman Team 2s going for $120. Do got some Air Max 1 premiums. This is dope, dude. That denim really pops out like that. Like, that's pretty fire. $160. Do we have to worry about that denim bleeding like onto our jeans and stuff? I don't know. Checking out the size 9.5. Dude got the Raiders colorway of the Air Max 97 to $135. The bleeding does happen with pretty much with all denim, right? Doesn't it? With the super dark denim, wear it with white t-shirts all the time and stuff, it does bleed a little bit. Or white shoes. Oh man, that's a nightmare. $160 for those. Nike by You Air Force One highs. Oh man, throw those bad boys in the refurbished section. Come on now, dude. Come on now. Come on now. Look at how wrinkled those are. Oh my god. All right. $140 full retail. Do got some Air Force Ones in a witness box. $130 for those. These are 10.5. Air Max 95s camo right here, going for $150. LeBron 2s going for $210 full retail. Holy cow. Terminators, they've been really pushing these lately. $135. Terminator highs, that is. Size 11, stuff that we've seen a million times. Air Max 2090s. These are 11.5, $95 for these. Size 10 of these right here, full retail. Air Force One highs. Air Force, mids, my bad. Air Force One mids. Damn, $150 full retail. At least you get the 30 off, but still, come on now. All right, I didn't see anything in the 12 size 13. $60 for the Air Monarchs right here. More of these. Another Monarch right here, going for $45. Fly East Lakers mids or Lakers highs. All right, $120 for those. That's a 9.5 though. Got some Kyrie size 15, size 18, $140. I would have them scan these. I don't know. Oh, dude, got these bad boys. The Air Just Force. I know these were a signature sneaker. I know there was an NBA player that used to wear these way back when. Who was it? Was it Rodman that used to wear these? Oh, someone used to wear these for a year or two. I don't know, but $210. This is size 15. Killshot 2 leathers going for $85. Got some SFB boots. The 6-inch going for $110. That's about it for the big sizes. All right, let's start with the aisles. Got a little Jordan section here. Do got some liftoffs here. Jordan Access, Max Auras, Jumpman Team 2, which remind me of the 13s. I'll take the 6 rings, going for way cheap. 6 rings, that's the cheapest I've ever seen those, I think. Jordan Why Not 0.6s. More Access. We got the new Retro One lows, which I'm just not a fan of, man. Got some regular lows. Terrible colorway in my opinion. Jordan 1 mid. Lakers mid, at least they're getting better. Some high Fly E's right here with the Velcro. Some Golf, and these are almost sold out. Barely any sizes left. And some Infinity Tour Next Percents. And we got Luka 1s. Luka 2s are starting to come out soon. This is... I don't have one of these yet. Cosmic Unities. Zoom Freak 4s. Got the 5s coming out, I think in a month or so. These are gonna drastically go down in price. Trey 5.9s. I think got a trio of these. Last one right here. Got some Witness 6s. Team Bank colorway. Another one right here. I think this is a final one. Then LeBron 20s. We've even been seeing these on sale at the retail shops, which is fire. Soldier 14s. Another one right here going for hella cheap. Blazer mids. Alley Oops. SB Nyjah Freeze. Blazer mid vintage. Got another one right next door. University Blue. Air Force One mid quick strides. Air Max Flyknit racers. Pre-days right here. Ton of Air Max in this row right here. Do got tons and tons of Air Maxes down these 2 aisles. There's just one aisle. 2017 with the wild colorway. That's hella high, god dang. That one probably just came to the store. Do got some that have been here for a lot longer, I bet. All black. Pure platinum wolf gray. Got a lighter color right here. Ghost Blackened Blue. What the hell? 2021 Flyknits. Vapor Max price is definitely going down. Vapor Max Plus University Blue, which is, oh, it's Blue Chill. Got some Forces. Got a few Forces. Utilities right here. Another one of these Air Force One utility lows. Air Max 1 Premiums. Terra Escape 90s. Air Max 95s. Terra Escape 97s. Air Max 270s. Then do have all the Pegasuses, 38s, 39s. I'll go for 90 bucks. Infinity Run Flyknits going for cheaper. That's a hell of a price right there. An all black, very similar to the Pegasi. This one you get 30% off at least. Checking the refurbished section real quick in the women's section. Check and see if they have any absolute steals in my kiddo size 10 Phantom Run React Flyknits. Going for $70. This is gently worn. 2 light Infinity Run Flyknit 2s, gently worn, go for $80. Got some dunks down here, size 10.5. It says new, and then the price tag is gone. What the hell? More of these, size 8, going for $80. That's slightly imperfect. Make sure you check those thoroughly. Size 7, Vaporfly Next Percent 2s, going for way too much. Dang, dude. Air Max 97, gently worn, going for $90. That's hella cheap. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's going for $75, gently worn. Then Pegasus right here, just not much, $72. Did check the women's section right here, just nothing really worth showing y'all. Oh, 40% off all clearance apparel. They got 5-6 racks. Wow. They can have a million racks, but do they have anything good? Do see a ton of t-shirts. Lakers t-shirt, normally $45, I guess. You get 40% off, I guess. Nets, who's Nets number 10? Oh, Ben Simmons, really? USA jersey, soccer jersey right here, $65, and then you get another 40 off. That's a hell of a price, but yeah, it's just a small, and they just got one. Super fluffy, like terry cloth material, $65. It's like short too for an XL, like bicycle shorts or something. Oh, it's a women's. Okay, damn, 140 down to $50, huh? $50 down to 31. That is a large with the diamond on the bottom. Got some sweats right here, tapered look to them. And yeah, these are going for, I think, yeah, $120 down to $120. At least you get 40 off. These are the same as well. All right, I've pretty much looked at all of them. No real dope finds, to be really honest. Do got some stuff on sale, just nothing that I'm really interested in. $30 for these swimming trunks right here. Did forget to show you guys what I'm wearing. University Blue Jordan 1s. Pretty fire. UNC toe coming out soon. And then I am working, so jeans, t-shirt, that's usually what I wear to work. So I am seeing a random 40% off sales. A lot of it is on fleece, but I am finding random stuff on sale. So checking these out, 75 down to 50 for those. And then this Jordan Flight long pants right here, $110 down to $40. I don't know about that orange. They do have a bunch of different sizes. More fleece stuff on sale over here. More fleece bottoms right here on sale. It says bottoms only. I'm sorry, 55 down to 45. More bottoms only right here. 115 down to 115. But this is tech fleece, I believe. And then more signs right here, 115. At least you get 40 off of that. Then I am back to check out these things right here. To be honest, like I would even do this as a part of giveaway, but I don't want to do a giveaway for something that looks so used. If that was in better condition, maybe. Just a huge fan of these Nike by used. Just not a fan of it looking like that. Like, damn, dude. And that color, like the color's just not doing it for me, bro. Like, dang it. Yeah, I'm just not digging that color. Yeah, whoever did this one, could have done better. Pretty fire. Yeah, we're putting it back though. All right, heading back to work. Back in LA, but of course, I'm gonna stop by a couple other stops and then probably work hella late. We'll see. But yeah, let's go. Let's go. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.
Yeah.